In the heart of this endless golden desert, a race is about to begin. A race the world will never forget. Indian Tricolor Fortuner, built for power, control, and fearless speed. And on the other, the Pakistani Crescent-Green Fortuner, known for its bravery, spirit, and unstoppable attitude. Get ready. 3, 2, 1. The desert battle begins. The Indian Fortuner takes a dangerous drift across the dune, kicking up a massive cloud of sand. But the Pakistani Fortuner refuses to fall behind, charging up the dune, flying forward with explosive speed. Final 10 seconds. Both beasts neck and neck, pushing their limits, racing like legends.